Hi, friends! Today, I'm taking 5 little sheep to the Magic Color Factory. Let's see what colors they'll be. The first little sheep, all fluffy and white, walked to the factory full of delight. It dipped right in and came right out. It turned bright red, let's all shout. Color, color, watch and see. What will the magic color be? Color, color, what a surprise. Let's paint the world with happy eyes. The second sheep said, here I go, into the colors nice and slow. It came out with a sunny glow. Now it's yellow, bright and bold. The third sheep bounced with a little cheer. I want a color, bring it here. In it went and out it flew. Now it's sky blue just like new. The fourth one giggled then took a turn into the tank with a funny squirm. Out it came so fresh and clean, covered in grass green. The last little sheep took a tiny hop, jumped right in with a belly flop. Out it came so soft and warm. Now it's purple, full of charm. Color, color, now they're bright. Red, yellow, green, and blue so light. Add some purple to the show. Now we've learned our colors. Go, go, go! Great job, friends! Our sheep are red, yellow, blue, green, and purple. Let's keep learning colors together. See you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more content.